Stratford Trainsit bus for the D40LF Fan 101. The main reason why I was here is for the VIA. This. Yeah. I'm just waiting for a train to come. Oh, okay. But anyways, we are back again for this VIA rail train. Well, this is a big one. This one's a big one. We're not lucky. We don't have a P42. There's an F40. But that's okay. That's okay. Good old F40. Good old F40s are okay every once in a while. Yeah, man. That's okay. Maybe tomorrow we'll catch a P42. I'm not sure. Maybe what VIA Rail should do from now on, they should do P42s on 84 and 87, unless there's like a delay, and they have to use an F40. And then what they should do is, and then on 85 and 88, they should do, they should probably do F40s, but if there was like an emergency and they need to use a P42, they could always do that. And maybe they should probably do like, maybe the next day they should do, oh, I thought she was a punch buggy. She ain't a punch buggy. I thought she was a punch buggy, and you guys could punch someone, but she wasn't. And then they do it the next day. They do F40 and then F40s, and then one day they should go like, oh, there they go. There goes the crossings. What I mean is like one day they should do F40, P42, F40, P42. And then they do P42, F40, P42, F40. They do, and then like etc. There they are, VIA 84, 87. Good old F40. Business car. Two new cars. Brilliant. Another new car. 3 new cars. Could be a full train of cars. There's an old. Good old originated one. It was the same one like yesterday, but only it's an F40. See you in my next video. Bye.